Well, after that awesome win, it's time for a celebratory snack. What better snack than prime steak? Pat LaFrida steak to be exact. And I'm gonna show you how to make these delicious bad boys, which are filet and strip. Right now, guys. Cheers, here it comes. Always comes nicely shipped overnight with ice packs. I wanted to try beef jerky that they have. It's a little sampler pack. And of course, we have a beautiful 16-ounce boneless New York strip and 2 8-ounce filet mignons. It's basically a porterhouse, but separated and boneless. Moss's favorite, my favorite. So we're gonna get these bad boys cooking on the grill. Very simple, old school style, and a little surf and turf action. You've seen the ceviche, and now it's time for prime steaks. All right, guys, so we have the 3 beautiful steaks out of the packaging and just hit them with salt and pepper. On the fillets, I put a couple drops of olive oil, rubbed it in there just for a little added fat. That marbling on the strip steak, though, is beautiful, and it really doesn't need it. These steaks stand on their own. This steak is actually dry aged for 30 days. The fillets are prime. That dry aged flavor is so awesome. It really doesn't need anything else, and I want the flavor of the steak to shine through. Other steaks, when I go to the supermarket and buy, a choice filet or strip or porterhouse, whatever, that will be the steak that I will baste, with a little thyme, garlic, things like that, lots of butter. But these steaks do stand on their own. But I should say this, I do put a nice pat of butter on them while they're resting after they come off the grill. So that's it, guys. Season them slightly on the grill, hot and fast, medium rare, and this bad boy is gonna be steak and eggs tomorrow as well. Cheers, guys. See you on the grill. All right, so Mom only has a little Smoky Joe grill in Florida, but that's okay, because it works. Lots of coals, high heat, we cook it quick, because Moss and I like it medium rare. Gonna put the strip and the 2 beautiful fillets. Get them on there, and gonna cook the fillets for about 3 minutes on each side, and gonna cook the the strip probably for about 5 minutes on each side, because it's almost a pound, so it is a nice steak. So we're gonna get these guys going, show you when I turn them, and then they're gonna be ready in just 10 minutes. Be right back. All right, wow, it's a little hot. Gonna give these a nice flip. Ah, look at that, beautiful. Quick sear. And it is looking very nice. Very nice, very nice. Gonna let them cook for another 5 or 6 minutes on this side now. Gonna take off the fillets first. Let this cook for another couple of minutes. And then, a little secret touch. All we do is put them on a resting plate and add a little bit of butter and then cover it in foil. And it's gonna be ready for the plate. And it's gonna be delicious. Be right back. All right, look at those bad boys off the grill. Now, all I'm gonna do is place a couple of pats of butter on these bad boys and let them continue cooking and finish their cooling down process. Then, the magic of tinfoil. Tempt it over, let it rest. This steak is not cheap. It deserves the time, the effort, and you'll be rewarded with the delicious flavor and tenderness. Pat LaFrida, cheers. And there you have it, guys. Just took off the tent of tinfoil. And look at this butter deliciousness. This is what I put in my baked potato. Moss makes mashed potatoes for herself and the kids. This is the goodness that I drip into my potato with a little sour cream. Okay, that is awesome. The strip is my favorite. The strip is the kid's favorite, and Moss loves the filet. And this guy's gonna be steak and eggs tomorrow, unless Moss or I am extra hungry tonight. All right, guys, time to dig in. Cut it right down the center. That's what you do in the steakhouse. Perfect, medium rare. Deliciousness, deliciousness. And if this one is a little more rare, which it is, Moss will be super happy. Perfectly cooked. We are going to enjoy this delicious steak dinner. And I thank you for watching this celebratory snack. I hope to bring you some more celebratory snacks real soon, because that means the slots have been nice to Old School. Cheers. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and your support, and we'll see you real soon.